Hi everybody, Russ here with Pro Steam. Once again we're cleaning some upholstery, and what you're looking at is a sofa that was purchased 7 years ago from DFS. The client recently moved into this new build, and the removal company unfortunately by accident left some paw prints on the sofa, and we've got one here, and there's also something further around here and around the back of the sofa. The sofa is soiled. It's been obviously used for 7 years, and the client has already had a go at cleaning patches, or cleaning spots, let's say, spot cleaning, and it's left patches, I should say. So I expect this sofa will look completely different, or especially this particular cushion will look very different by the time I've cleaned it. Let's just move around here. So obviously the high contact areas are going to be here, and we have a mark here, and there's some around the back of the sofa as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to strip the sofa, take all the cushions off, and give it a good vacuum, and then we're going to use hot water extraction with a specific upholstery and fabric product, cleaning product, that will restore that fabric like new again. So there you have it. Customer's really pleased. All those marks we managed to remove, and because there is a slight nap on this fabric, we've also brushed it, and we're going to give it another brush, I think, just before I leave. But there you have it, all done, clean and dry.